A very good morning to all of my teachers and my dear friends. It's Rishi Moray. I belong at Aligarh. I have completed my 10 plus 2 from UP Board Allahabad. Nowadays, I'm pursuing spoken and computer, global skill computer academy Bhaga. My hobby is listen music, today's presentation. Without further ado, let me start about the experience of about global skill academy and English trainer. You know what guys, what is the meaning of experience? Experience. Experience. You know what is this? It means what we learn in the life and what we say in the life. That is experience. Like that you will be listen that you will be say that your elders, like your parents, our grandfathers, many anyone, they have a knowledge, but they have experience of life, and they do anything. That's why it is experience. You know what? Word are understand, knowledge. Words are understand, thought, knowledge. But meaning, thought, experience. Words are understand, thought, knowledge, but meaning, thought, experience. You know what? Experience doing working 60%, and knowledge is doing 40%. Because and knowledge is very needy, but with experience, knowledge is very needy. And if you talk about global skill, then global skill. You know what is the meaning of global? It means our universe that is looking eye popper. Our universe looking eye popper. And you know what? Global skill also eye popper. Because if you talk about her faculties, our director of global skill, then everyone is good. Everyone is look like a wow. Because they have a lot of banners and everyone call to each other sir and ma'am, and everyone treat to each other like a family. That's we called it global family. We called it global family, and they have a lot of manners. And if you talk about uh, it's a computer academy, and there's many type of computer courses teach here, like that ADCA, DCFA, accounting, Tally, and English speaking is also included. English speaking is also included. You know, if you want to change your personality, if you want to groom in your life, then join the speaking batches. Because if you talk about here, then teacher teaches us many manners in English speaking classes and develop our personality and many things. And when I come in the global, then I have a lot of fear, lot of hesitation, and also shame. And when I join the English speaking class, then you know what? Firstly, I remove my fear because day one sir told that if you want to speak in English, then you remove your fear, hesitation, and shy. That's why firstly I remove my 3 point. First is fear, and second is hesitation, and third is my shame. Because if you want to speak in English, then you remove your shame. If you feel shy in front of anyone, and you will have to, if any chance you will have to speak in English in front of anyone, then firstly you remove your shame. And if you remove your shame, then your confidence level also increasing. When your confidence level are increasing, then you will able to speak in English influent. You speak in fluent English. And if you talk about if you talk about personality development, then you know what, English speaking batches are uh, provided the personality development, manners, grooming, everything. Because personality development. If you want to groom in your life, if you go any other places university, then your personality development is also needy, and your talking style, walking style is also needy. Before, when I earlier I don't know how we can walk. I am walk like this. When I walk, then voice is shift many things like this. But when I joined the English speaking class, then I noted what is the proper way of the walking and what the proper way of the talking. And I wanted to learn speaking. I looking for an institute. Then my sister also teach here, studies here, both are. Then her speaking is also good because when she speak in English, then her speaking is also good. Then I joined the speaking class in global skill, and I knew here with English, our personality development, our manners, walking style, talking style, many things is also needed. And if you talk about uh, I change myself in global skill because it's always happened with help of my trainer Mr. Vipin sir, because without help of him I can't change myself, and I'm thankful for him because uh, you are you changed myself, and thank you so much for all.